welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation Delta Paint. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Primavera, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment. Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation Delta Paint. Here is a project description. You are the production manager for Delta Paint, a regional manufacturing company that specializes in customized paints. Your company sells paint by the gallon, and you have the task of forecasting the best production blends to maximize profit and most effectively utilize resources. There is a project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is download and open the file name exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation Delta Paint. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Cumulative Assessment Variation Delta Paint from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file. I have already downloaded this Delta Paint. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is create appropriate range names for total production cost cell B18 and a gross profit cell B21 by selection using the values in the left column. Move to the workbook, then you will have to select the cell B18, total cost production cell B18. Go to the workbook, cell B18. First you will have to select this range B18. Then you will go to the formula tab, then go to the defined name group, then click on create from selection and choose the left column, then press OK. This part is done. Then the second part is and the gross profit cell B21 by selection using the values in the left column, cell B21. This one gross profits, select this, create from selection, then choose left column and press OK. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is edit the existing name range employee hourly wage to hourly wages 2021. Note the Mac users in the defined name dialog box add the new name range and delete the original one. In this question, you will have to change the name range employee hourly wage to hourly wages 21. Copy this, then move to the workbook. Then click on name manager. Edit this. Paste this hourly wages 2021. Then click OK. Then close this. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is Use the newly created range names to create a formula to calculate net profit in cell B22, and the net profit equal to gross profit minus total production cost. In cell B21, you will have to calculate a net profit. Move to the workbook. In cell B22, net profit. In this cell, you will have to type a formula equals to gross profit minus total production cost. Then select the gross profit minus total production cost, this one, and then press enter. As you can see that the net profit are calculated now. Move to the instruction file. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is create a new worksheet labeled name range names. Paste the newly created range names information in cell A1 and resize the column as needed for proper display. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a new worksheet and write the name, range names. Copy this, move to the Excel workbook, then click on this plus button to create a new sheet. Then rename this to name ranges. Then press enter. Paste the newly created range name information in cell A1 and resize the column as needed for proper display. And you will go to the formula tab, then click on this choose in formula, paste names, then paste list, this one. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is on the forecast sheet, start in cell E3, complete the series of substitution values ranging from 10 to 200 at increment of 10 gallons vertically down the column E. We have missed the last part of this question number 5. Resize the column as needed for proper display. This one, then select these two ranges and click on the format tab, then auto fit with column width. In question number 6, you will go to the cell E3, forecast sheet. In cell E3, you will have to type 10 and complete the series of substitution value ranging from 10 to 200 at increment of 10 gallons vertically down through column E. Then you will go to this tab fill and click on series. In the step value 10 increment and the stop value is 200. Then select the column and press OK. As you can see that the series are now displayed 10, 20, 30, 40, 10 incremented. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is enter references to the total production cost, gross profit and net profit cells in the correct location F2, G2 and H2 respectively for a one variable data table. Use range names where indicated. Then we will go to the workbook in cell F2. Cell F2, we have write a reference. Total production cost, then gross profit and net profit. First we have selected the total production cost. equals to, then total production cost, this one, and press enter. The total production cost reference are now created. And the next is G2. You will have to use the gross profit. G2 equals to gross profit. Click on this amount, press enter. Gross profit are showing, and the H grow equals to net profit. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is complete the one variable data table in the range E2 to H22 using the cell B4 as the column input cell, and then format the result with accounting number format with 2 decimal places. First you will have to select this range E2 to H22, E2 to E2 to H22. Then go to the data tab, then click on what if analysis, then click on the data table column input cell using cell B4 as the column input cell. B4, this is column input cell B4, then click OK. As you can see that all the data are populated in this table. Now move to the instruction file, and the next point is then format the result with accounting number format with 2 decimal places. Move to the workbook, select this data, then apply the accounting number format. Go to the home tab, click on this arrow, then click on accounting number with 2 decimal places, then click OK. Question number 8 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 9. Question number 9 is apply custom number format to make the formula references appear as descriptive column heading in F2, total cost in G2, gross profit in H2, net profit, bold and center the headings and substitution values. In this question you will have to apply the custom number format to the cells. In F2 you will have to apply the custom number format. Copy this text, total cost, then go to the workbook in cell F2. This cell is F2. Then go to the home tab, then click on this number format arrow, then go to the custom, then click on this general, remove this, type inverted commas and paste this, and close the inverted commas, then click OK. The accounting number format are applied on this cell, total cost, and then same for G2. Copy this gross profit, G2, click on this, G2 and same for H2. Net profit, all is done right now. And the next part of this is bold and center the headings and substitution values. Bold and center this. Move to the workbook. First you will have select these three, then go to the home tab, then bold this, then click on, then you will go to the alignment group, then click on this center, align this, and same for substitutions like this range, bold this, then center. Question number 9 are completed now. Now we will move to the question number 10. Question number 10 is copy the number of gallons produced, substitution values from the one variable data table, and then paste the values starting in cell E26. Basically in this question you will have to copy the substitution values and then paste in the cell E26. Move to the workbook. You will have to copy these substitution values and go to the E26, this one, and then paste these values, substitution values. Question number 10 are completed. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.